Welcome to Taste of Spain. Today we are going to prepare Ajoblanco, Spanish Ajoblanco. It's a cold almond soup ideal for the summer. Here are the ingredients. 100 grams of almonds skinned and soaked and strained. 50 grams of bread soaked. Half a liter of water. Extra virgin olive oil. Apple vinegar, salt and garlic. We are going to mix and blend everything until creamy. Garlic, extra virgin olive oil, 3 tablespoons, 2 and 3, and 2 tablespoons of apple vinegar or wine vinegar, little bit of salt, and then we are going to blend until a creamy soup. So here is the Ajoblanco is blended. You see it's creamy. We add some extra virgin olive oil, salt, pepper, so I have put some apples. You can also, if you like, you can add grapes. Garnish with a little bit of fresh mint. The Ajoblanco should be very cold, so now I'm going to put it in the fridge for at least 2 hours. And that is the Ajoblanco, cold almond soup, ideal for summer. Cheer up, and we hope to see you soon in Spain.